So you want to get a few people together for a casual hangout? Facebook is too last minute, Evite is too formal, and phone calls and emails just take way too long. The solution could be Giddy Up for iPhone and Android, so we put it to the test today on App Judgment. This episode of App Judgment is brought to you by GoToMyPC. Welcome to App Judgment, your source for mobile application news and reviews. I'm Jackie Talbot.
And I'm Mauricio Balvanera, and believe it or not, Jackie and I actually hang out after hours.
In real life for not work.
Yeah, totes.
Crazy, right?
Totes. But so there's a little issue sometimes when hanging out. Like if you want to invite a bunch of people together, Facebook could be a little too formal.
And I don't know about other people, but you get so many like kind of spammy ones that I just kind of ignore them sometimes.
Yeah. And then what is it, Evite?
Evite.
I mean,
the cat's kind of old school now too. Yeah.
So I've been looking for some sort of smaller solutions, just because we've been doing some good get-togethers pretty often, and I've just found this app called Giddy Up, which seems to do the job pretty well.
Yeah, I liked how it was laid out, and it made it a little bit easier.
Yeah. Basically, what you do is you sign up for the service. This is iOS and Android. Very simple. You sign up with your phone number because, we'll tell you more about that in a sec. But you fill in the event name, or you don't have to. The only thing that's required is that you invite people. Because it could be like, hey, I want to hang out. I don't know what we're going to do. Yeah,
and that kind of takes the formality out of it, which is great if you don't want that.
Exactly. So we've got like an event set up here. What is this? Pants party?
Pants party.
It's a pants party. Very simple. It pulls up your contact list that's on your phone.
Right.
Again, both Android and your iOS contact list. You invite as many people as you want, and you set a location if you want to. You set an event picture if you want to.
If you want.
Oh, and of course the date and time. That's
right. Obviously,
important.
Yeah.
But again, not required.
Yeah.
Shows up on your main page after you create an event. It blasts out to everyone based on their phone number. People get a text message.
If they don't have the app.
Exactly. If they don't have the app. If you do have the app, it goes to your app. It goes on this main page where it lists all the events that you're either attending or events that you've created.
Yeah, so the app is super simple. It has just your events and then, starting an event and then information on the app.
Yeah.
So it's all right there for you to look at.
It's got a really good chat function, so you can actually use this as a good like group chat.
Yeah, the chat is a definite positive thing in this because, you can do a group chat with your phone, obviously, but having it be your selected group for that event is really awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, there are some cons to this as well as pros. We're going to check that in a bit, but first, let's thank our sponsor.
More and more business people are working remotely from their iPads and iPhones, leaving their laptops behind, working lighter. But the iPad and iPhone can't replace your office computer. That is, unless you have the GoToMyPC app. It's the missing link. It turns your iPad and iPhone into your computer.
That's right. With GoToMyPC by Citrix, you can access your entire Mac or PC, work on any program, save, edit, or send any file from anywhere. GoToMyPC is convenient, reliable, and easy to use. It sets up in just minutes. While on the go, you can even take care of an urgent request to edit a PowerPoint, update a spreadsheet, print out any document, or work on any file right from your phone. It's pretty amazing. Now, I've used this to access my computer at home because I'm really bad about leaving stuff at home on my computer.
Well, we have so many different locations of all of our things, like the server at work, our stuff at home, our mobile things. So
this is kind of a symptom of me working at home sometimes.
Yes.
Take my work home
but
and leave it there.
You want to be able to.
So I can't use the excuse of my dog ate it anymore because I can just go grab it.
Because you can just easily tap into your computer no matter where you are.
That's right.
Try GoToMyPC today with a special 30-day free trial just for our viewers. Visit GoToMyPC.com and click on the Try It Free button and enter the promo code AppJudgment. Then download the free app to your iPhone or iPad.
That's GoToMyPC.com. Try it free with the promo code AppJudgment. Okay, Giddy Up for iOS and Android. Pros and cons. Extremely simple.
Yep.
I like the fact that you don't actually have to sign up for the service. Now, I was afraid that when it would send out that text message, it was going to say, join Giddy Up to figure out whether or not you're going to go to this thing.
Right. It's very unintrusive with if you don't actually have the app yet, which is nice.
So the text message just says you've been invited to an event. Here's a link to the event. You can respond yes or no through that webpage.
Yeah.
Don't have to sign up.
But the app is free.
The app is free, yeah.
Which is also
Don't have to sign up, but I think that's actually really good in terms of a lot of social apps really have to hit a critical mass in order for them to work.
Right.
This is kind of taking the approach of, look, you can join us or not, but just let them know if you want to go to the event.
But it is a good, I mean, that's a good position to have for a company. So
that's right. You can also, like I said, you can create the event fairly quickly.
Right. There's not too much time involved in the setup, which is great.
All right. We did it in about, like I said, 30 seconds. Yeah. Not so fast on Android. We're going to get into that in a sec. The other awesome thing about it is that it does tell you who's attending, who's not, sort of Facebook style.
Right, so the yes, no, and the still pending people. Yeah.
Right. And then chat is pretty awesome, like we said, sort of the group messaging thing.
Yeah.
You're a fan of sort of the grouping in general.
So you have, obviously your phone is listed, all of your contacts, so this gives you an option to kind of separate your contacts into different groups. So if you know, for example, like Tuesday nights we're all going to hang out, so I have my Tuesday night group. So it's super easy that way, yeah.
There you go. Cons, though, the app isn't all that happy on Android right now, at least in Ice Cream Sandwich.
Yeah, that's a kind of weird, unfortunate thing.
Yeah, so I was trying to load my contact list, and it was taking a really, really long time to do. I tested it on another Android phone, and it's having the same issue. I checked online. It looks like lots of Android users are having a little bit of even creating accounts.
Oh, wow.
So I'm sure that's going to be fixed in the future, but it is currently an issue. My second problem with the application is that you have to use existing contacts on your phone.
Right.
So if you, say, run into someone and that doesn't happen to be in your phone book right now, you can't just put in their phone number or
yeah, there's no way to manage contacts within the actual app. It just pulls from your phone book, basically.
Right. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I tried to invite someone to an event, and I had to close the application, put them in my contact list, reopen the application, and then add them.
Yeah, so that would be nice to be able to manage it within the app.
Yeah.
So who knows?
On Android, the UI does feel a little bit crammed. It looks fantastic on iOS. And I got to say, these cons right now don't apply to iOS, except for the not being able to add someone to your...
Right, so obviously, you know, the clunkiness and the kind of weird UI is Android right now.
It's just all Android. Come on, guys.
It's kind of strange. We were excited that it was on Android.
So I have to give it sort of a tentative download, just because I love that you don't actually have to sign up for the service. Right now, the only major issues are on Android, and I think those will be fixed fairly soon.
Yeah, so I would say if you're like the organizer of your friends and you happen to have an iPhone, probably will work out.
I think it'll work out well.
Yeah.
So there you go. It's a download.
Download it.
Maybe. Check it out. Let us know what you think. If you're an Android user, let us know if you're having the same issues. Just send a test pants party invite to someone.
Pants parties. Pants party rager.
Party in my pants.
Always in my pants.
Let us know at AppJudgment@revision3.com. Hit us up on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and of course Crosswalk. We'll see you soon.
See ya.